Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rolls crispy. To achieve that perfect crunch, you'll want to start with a good quality roll, as its initial texture plays a big role. The method you choose for reheating is also crucial, so we'll cover the best techniques. Ultimately, controlling moisture is the secret to developing that desirable crispy crust, preventing your rolls from becoming soft or soggy. The oven is an excellent tool for achieving crispy rolls. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure even heating. Place your rolls directly on the oven rack. This allows air to circulate all around them, promoting a crispier exterior. Bake them for about 5 to 10 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and have that satisfying crunch you're looking for. For smaller batches, an air fryer or toaster oven can be incredibly effective. In an air fryer, set the temperature to 325 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Toaster ovens are perfect for 1 or 2 rolls, offering quick crisping. Lightly misting your rolls with water before heating creates steam, which helps develop a wonderfully crispy crust. Once your rolls are perfectly crispy, proper storage is essential to maintain their texture. Allow them to cool completely, then store them in a paper bag. This allows air to circulate, preventing them from becoming soft. Avoid airtight containers, as they trap moisture and will make your rolls lose their crispness. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.